All right, friends. So I welcome you to another interesting part in our Facebook ad. And in this segment, I'm going to teach you how you can make payments for your Facebook advertisement or Instagram or advertisement or WhatsApp marketing. So after you have setting up your ad, the next step to take is to make payments. So once you make payment, Facebook is going to run your ad immediately. The ad is being approved. So now, how do you do it? All you have to do is to make sure that you get your MasterCard or Visa card ready. Then the next thing you have to do is to go to your Facebook Ad Manager. Then you come down below here and look for setting icon. So when you click on this setting icon, it's going to take you to where you make the payment for your advertisement. Now it's going to open the interface like this. Now the next thing you have to do is to come this place here and choose a payment setting. So it's going to load the payment setting right away. Now you can see my ad account balance here is 0. So now I want to add more money to my ad account so that I can run promotion straight away. So all you have to do is to come below here and click on add money. All right, so from this point here, you can see the mode of payment for Facebook ad. And now I have my card added to the ad account. So in some cases, if you don't want to add your card to the Facebook platform, all you have to do is to make use of local payment option here, which is pay you. Or if you want to add your card into the Facebook account, into the Facebook platform, so you have to choose this option, debit or credit card. You have to click on this icon here. Then when you click on this icon, you fill in your card detail. So there is no any problem about your card. Everything about your financial secret is very much safe as far as Facebook is concerned. So now in this case, I'm going to add money. So you have to come to the amount at the top here and type the actual amount you want to add to your Facebook account. So in this regard, I'm going to add 3,000 naira into my ad account. Right, so having had 3,000 naira into my ad account, so I'm going to make use of this option, local payment, which is pay you. You select the option. So now having select option, the next thing you have to do is to click on add fund. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to click on continue. So here we go. This is where you fill in your card detail. So I'm going to type in my card number. Okay, so the card holder name is going to be your name on the card. So the card expire, the month, and then the year. So for security purpose, I'm going to pause the recording now and just show you how this is how you can fill in the necessary information as far as your information card is concerned. All right, so after you are fully complete with your card information, so you click on make payment. So it's going to load into this interface and wait for security code. All right, so OTP SMS, and you can just select OTP SMS and click on continue. So they're going to send you the code. Okay, so I'm waiting for the code to approve the payment. All right, so I have the code right away. So I'm going to type it in straight. It's 74 and 175457. Then I click on submit. So you can see right here that your transaction was successful. Then you come down below here and click on continue. Boom. So this is how you had payment successfully for your Facebook advertisement or Instagram advertisement or WhatsApp advertisement. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video step by step. And if you like this video, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more interesting video like this about Facebook, graphic design, and making money online. So thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.